not because it's a close-out game, but because we know Meralco is going to come back really hard. And I've said this since game one, we have no illusions that this is going to be an easy series. So yun ang pinag-usapan namin after the last game. We lost, it was 2-1, so we said, we expected this. We told the players we expected this. Alam natin na magiging mahirap. It's not going to be an easy series. So we need to be ready for a huge battle for game 5. Yeah, same. If you remember the last game na Tokilok siya, di ba? So, while kaya niya, it was really a pilit na kaya. So, we said, if we did not really need him, then we would give him as much rest as possible to get him healthy for the next game. And that's why I shout out to Simon and Ciso. I thought Simon scored 0 points, was plus 20. So that was a big part. And these are the unseen contributions of the guys of the team. Like Koy said earlier, Kelly couldn't even walk yesterday. Nandito siya, nakahiga because he was stricken by severe cough, colds. He's hit by the flu. But he showed up. And sabi lang niya, okay, I'll just be ready just in case. And, you know, I thought that was a big lift also. The boy started it off for us. Kelly held the fort. And then we were able to get Henry to finish at the center spot. But ganun lang talaga eh. Hopefully, Ray heals more fully, recovers. Same thing with Roger. But right now, our focus really is get rest for the players, and then on our part, the coaches to anticipate whatever adjustments they're going to make for the next game.